Good day, my love, and welcome to this guided guardian angel healing meditation to recreate emotional balance in your life and remove some of those negative thoughts that are affecting your health and your life. So sit up or lie down, keeping your back nice and straight yet relaxed, and then close your eyes. Now take a deep breath, breathing in healing air and breathing out negative thoughts and emotions. Inhaling fresh new air and exhaling those toxic energies that are polluting your body, mind and spirit. So breathe in healing and breathe out pollution. Just let go and allow yourself to be free. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, breathing into your stomach and allowing your body and mind to be completely relaxed. Now imagine that you're in the arms of someone, embraced by their loving hug, feeling safe and feeling loved. Feel the warmness of this person. It can be a man, a woman, or neither. Follow your mind and go with whatever presents itself. Let your mind guide you and feel the comfort as you are wrapped in the arms of pure unconditional love. This is your guardian angel, your protector, and your guardian, always there to keep you safe, to comfort you when you're feeling sad, and to lift you up when you're feeling down. So take in this experience and know that you are loved. What a divine moment, a moment of spiritual connection, and a moment of pure love, unconditional love. There are no expectations, no conditions, no limitations, just love in its purest form, emanating from this being of light and filling your heart with positivity and pure happiness. Take in this moment and let the love heal your heart, removing any trace of hurt, guilt, or sadness. There is no room for those feelings anymore, so make room for love instead, for divine love, for unconditional love. you feel so safe, cared for, by this being of love holding you in its arms, protecting you and comforting you. So let go of negative thoughts and emotions. There is really no point in holding on to these feelings. They are only pulling you down, stopping you from seeing all of the beauty around you, and standing in your way of feeling the love that is surrounding you. So let it go and invite love into your life. So heal your broken heart. Remove the pollution from your heart so that it once again can be open. Open to give love and open to receive love. So breathe in deeply and fill your heart with so much love that it feels like you're going to burst into tears. Tears of joy and tears of relief as you release those unwanted feelings. So let go and realize that love is always there by your side when you need it. All you need to do is just close your eyes and open your heart. Allow yourself to heal. You deserve that. You deserve to be happy. 'Cause life is truly beautiful. And there is so much beauty yet to be discovered, to be experienced, and to be cherished. So make it your goal to cherish each day, to cherish each moment, as you create the life you've always wanted, filled with happiness, filled with excitement, and filled with love. Now take a deep breath, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Now continue your day knowing that you are surrounded by love, letting your heart be open and letting your heart guide you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and then I will see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.